Learn how to make cannabis shatter at home without risking an explosion. This step-by-step guide guarantees a successful outcome while ensuring your safety. 1. Gather the necessary equipment: quality cannabis strain, large glass container, butane extraction tube, and a Pyrex dish. 2. Ventilate the area properly. Perform the process in a well-ventilated room or outdoors. 3. Grind your cannabis buds to a consistent texture. Ensure no large stems or seeds are present. 4. Place the extraction tube onto the glass container and add the ground cannabis. 5. Attach the dish to the bottom of the extraction tube. 6. Open up cans of butane, shake them, and fill the extraction tube slowly. Butane will pass through the tube and extract the cannabis compounds. 7. Collect the liquid in the Pyrex dish. 8. Place the dish in a warm water bath. This will evaporate the butane safely and leave behind cannabis concentrate. 9. Allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes. 10. Scrape the concentrate using a dabber tool or spoon. 11. Store your homemade shatter in an airtight container kept away from heat and light. 12. Keep all open flames, sparks, and heat sources away from the extraction area. 13. Remember, butane is highly flammable, so follow safety precautions strictly. 14. Always work in a clean and organized manner. 15. Dispose of butane cans responsibly and safely. 16. Avoid inhaling butane fumes and work in a well-ventilated area. 17. Never perform this process near children or pets.